Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video, and also click the notification bell so you can get notified when we have any news. So first off, we'll be looking at the market. Bitcoin came down a little bit to 48,000. It got up to 49,800. Just $200 away. Bitcoin is just flirting with $50,000, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit it anytime soon. Right, we were so close, and Ethereum is still above $3,000. Cardano around $2. Binance Coin over $400. The market still seem a little bit stable because I was expecting Bitcoin to fall back to about 45 or 42. But let's see which happens first. The market is still well over $2 trillion. Now remember, we'll be giving out some Haugolex coin. Haugolex coin, and randomly, right? So all you have to do is listen. I'm either going to ask a question or I'm going to just tell you to drop your address. Anyways, let's check the news we have. I have to close my WhatsApp. Hold on a minute. So the first news here says second largest US mortgage lender will accept crypto payments this year. Well, why not? Cryptocurrency is making the news. Cryptocurrency is making lots of headlines and making serious gains. Why not jump into the wagon? Right, so we are evaluating the feasibility and requirements in order to accept cryptocurrency to satisfy mortgage payments. So as our guest, of course, they will accept BTC, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and any other stable coins. Right, so that's mortgage and crypto news. To some other news, 62% of Robinhood's Q2 crypto revenue was from Dogecoin. Now this news is mind-blowing. Several years ago, if you had told me that, hey, stuff like this is going to happen, I'll be like, hey, you better wake up. Right, but it's just so weird that 62% of the revenue from Robinhood is from Dogecoin. I remember Dogecoin, or just in case you've not been around, Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was made from out of a joke, right? So it was just a joke, and today is what, billions of dollars, and it's giving a whole company 62% of revenue. That's pretty interesting. Coinbase goes live in Japan in partnership with banking giant MUFG. This news is actually exciting to me because while some other countries are trying to scare crypto platforms away, and you see some other countries that are thinking way ahead are actually welcoming crypto platforms and trying to see how they can do business. Smart move there. Up next, draft El Salvador Bitcoin banking regulations released. So El Salvador's Banco Central de Reserva has released two documents detailing how banks should deal with Bitcoin. The Central Bank of El Salvador, Banco Central de Reserva, has published draft regulations on how banks should handle Bitcoin. Right. The summary of the whole story here, because I've read through it, is banks are just looking for a way to have a share of the pie, of the Bitcoin pie, right? Because they've been left out for a very long time. All right, moving on. Top 5 UK university joins Hedera Hashgraph. Some of you might not know about Hedera Hashgraph, but it's a blockchain. Should I call it a blockchain? Yeah. I'll just call it blockchain. So it's a blockchain, or a DLT, right? Or a DLT that we were looking up to. We thought, personally, I thought it was gonna be better than EOS, but unfortunately, it's just not as wonderful as I thought it would be. Rather, Solana is even better. Anyways, technology is always subject to improvement, and it could be better in the future. So just in case you're watching this video 5 years from now, you're wondering, hey, what the hell is this guy saying? Yep, as at the time of me making this video, Hedera hash graph is garbage, at least in my own opinion. Okay, I might be wrong. So Binance crypto exchange outage sparks outrage as traders lose millions. So there's been a ton of complaints about Binance. I also have like three unpleasant experience with Binance, and I'm considering moving most of my trading capital to other exchanges like FTX, right? So, and if you want to create an FTX account, check in the description of this video, right? You see the link below to create an account on FTX, and I'm going to create a video letting us know how to use FTX. All right, let's go to another banking news. Brazil's central bank president endorses crypto regulation, right? So this is just similar to what we have in El Salvador. So just know this news means the bank are trying to come into the game so they can have a piece of the pie. That's just it. And of course, the reason I bring this stuff up is I've read through them before giving you guys the headlines. And if there's anything juicy within it, I'll most definitely tell you guys the opportunities that lies in those announcements. All right, helping Afghanistan, organizations currently accepting crypto donations, right? So there's been some issues in Afghanistan, and then the U.S. Army had to withdraw, and the allies and some good people in Afghanistan have been, these guys can get foreign aids, right, through cryptocurrency, and it really shows the use case and the need for cryptocurrency as a whole, right? And I think some of the cryptocurrency that we accepted is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Zcash, Gemini, which is a stable coin, etc., etc. Right? It shows the unique use case of Bitcoin, of crypto, how that is borderless, is fast, and it's super easy to use, and you don't need to start bringing tons of documents to open an account for crypto, right? Alright guys, that's all I have for us today. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. See ya.